In a bright and peaceful kingdom, there lived a kind princess named Isabella. She loved the gardens, the forests, and most of all, the animals. But Isabella had a secret. She could talk to animals, birds, rabbits, even the tiny insects would tell her their secrets. One morning, as she walked in the castle garden, a little bluebird flew to her shoulder and chirped nervously.
Princess Isabella, you must come quickly.
Calm down, little one. What happened?
The dark forest. Something dangerous is coming. It's heading to the kingdom.
Isabella's heart raced. She ran to the castle gates. On the way, a fox crossed her path.
Princess, I've seen it too. It's a shadow wolf. It can destroy everything. Don't worry. I'll stop it.
She ran to the forest edge. The trees were tall and dark. The wind whispered warnings. Isabella told the birds and fox.
Stay close to me. We'll find the shadow wolf together.
As she went deeper, the ground shook. A large shadow moved among the trees. The shadow wolf appeared. Its eyes glowed red, and smoke came from its nose. The wolf growled.
Who dares enter my forest?
I am Princess Isabella. I protect this kingdom. Leave now, or face all of us!
You are only a girl. How can you stop me?
Not alone. But with my friends, we are strong.
Suddenly, hundreds of animals appeared. Birds, rabbits, foxes, and even deer. They surrounded the wolf.
Everyone, work together!
The birds flew fast, pecking at the wolf. The foxes ran around, confusing it. The deer kicked at the wolf's legs. The shadow wolf roared loudly, but it was losing strength. Isabella called out,
Use your magic, little friends!
Finally, with a powerful leap, the shadow wolf ran away into the deep forest, never to return. The animals cheered. Birds chirped loudly. Rabbits danced around Isabella's feet.
Without you, the kingdom would be in danger. Princess, you are the bravest of all. You trusted us. I learned something today. Even small friends can make a big difference. And courage is not about being alone. It's about helping each other.
That evening, the sun set behind the castle. The kingdom was safe again. Princess Isabella walked through the gardens, talking to her animal friends.
Tomorrow, we will play and explore, but always stay ready. Our kingdom may face challenges, but together, we can overcome anything.
From that day on, Isabella was not just a princess. She was the princess who could talk to animals, the protector of her kingdom, and a friend to all creatures. And sometimes, when the wind rustled the trees, the animals whispered, Princess Isabella, the bravest heart in the kingdom.
If you want to join us in more adventures, write more in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.